Alright, we are at the Toledo Library in the newer section of it.
There's a lot of elevators here.
But a lot of them are employee ones. They're glass. This is neat.
Look, you can see the piston.
There it goes. Anyway, hello.
First floor mezzanine. Read for literacy. Second floor. Children's Library, McMaster Center, Rooftop Garden. Third floor. Local history, genealogy, rare books. Second floor. Children's Library, McMaster Center, Rooftop Garden. First floor mezzanine. Read for literacy. First floor. Computers and media. Studio lab. Teen, fact and fiction, cafe, meeting rooms.
We'll end it on 3.
There's another elevator over there. I'm gonna go get a video of. If it's open, it might be a locked one.
First floor mezzanine. Read for literacy. Second floor. Children's Library, McMaster Center, Rooftop Garden. Third floor. Local history, genealogy, rare books.
Anyway. That will be all.